Hi, my name's Sam Cooper and I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you some really quick and easy ways to create the perfect cat eye. I've used the Scandalised gel liner, which is waterproof. What you want to do is follow the lower lash line outwards, and this is the area that you're going to be marking out your line. This is one of the looks that I get asked to do all the time. It's a classic look. On the outer corner, start by dotting your brush, which is already angled to the right shape. And this is going to help you mark out where you want to go. The top tip is always take the line out further than what you would think, because when you open your eyes, you're going to obviously hide a little bit of that area. And for the inner corner, just take any excess off your brush at this point, because you just got a little area here where you want to get in nice and close. You want to keep this part thin and this bit thick. So if you just think of it as in like a continuous line, I'm going to go in with a little cotton bud, and you can just tidy up any little areas. Also, we're going to fill in underneath here, so I'm going to use the Smoke and Shine. You want to go in the waterline and then just slightly outside. It is really nice to let your eyes just be the main focus, I think. To give this a really wide-eyed, opened look, I'm going to use the Super Curler 24-hour mascara in black. You want to go from the roots and just sort of wiggle upwards. And this is a really great thickening mascara, which is great for this look because it is a dramatic eye. And then to complete the look, I'm going to just put a really nice neutral lip colour over my gloss. And we don't need to kind of go to town on the lips for this. I think we're going to keep it nice and soft. So there you have it, a really simple cat eye. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe below.